Hey, what's up, guys? Bringing you another review today. This is the CJRB cutlery folding knife. And I picked it up the other day. Give you a look at this real quick before we go over the specs. Really cool looking knife, really unique. That's why I picked it up. So the blade length is 3.43 inches and the thickness is 0.13. The blade style is cleaver style. I've never bought a knife like this. It's pretty cool. The overall length is 8.15 inches. Close length 4.72. The handle, which I really like, it's really smooth looking, and it actually feels really nice too, is carbon fiber. The clip material is steel. And the blade material is AR-RP M9. First off, guys, I want to say I really like this blade. It's got a really nice quality feel to it, nice heavy duty feel. I've already been using it at work. It's got a ceramic ball bearing right here. And you got your typical regular close style where you press it inwards to close it. This blade is really sharp, guys. Let me show you how sharp. This is cardboard, by the way, guys. This is cardboard. And I'm going to show you how sharp this blade is. Look at this. Cardboard. It's cardboard. This blade is very sharp. It's got a little lanyard hole in here if you want to tie a lanyard on there and use it like that. So, guys, if you're into knives, I recommend checking this one out. I think you'll really enjoy it. If you want to check this knife out, I'll have the Amazon link in my description. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, I'll be doing more reviews in the future. Thanks.